Investments in research and development are skyrocketing in Austria due to a strong funding system with instruments such as the 14% research tax premium and a thriving autonomous driving community. Check out the spectacular test track of DigiTrans. I will send you the link to the video.
At DigiTrans, we share the vision for a better, safer and more sustainable future of automated mobility. We have about 100 acres of land available where we run this proving ground. In the background you can see the rain plant and also the intersection, and as you can see we can create the rain on both sides of the intersection so that you can have a scenario fully under rain. Also the people that come from the side road will be under rain, and that's a unique scenario that you can only experience in Austria.
Cut, thank you.
ALP.Lab is the one-stop shop for testing ADAS systems in the Alpine region. We address industry partners and research projects and offer training data for AI, as well as tests on public roads and test sites. Our testing equipment, like the Spider, real traffic monitoring and analyzing driver behavior with eye tracking, enables us to simulate scenarios in a very, very early stage, long before prototypes exist.
Austria offers cutting-edge infrastructure for autonomous flying. The leading institute for research on drones is the Lakeside Science Technology Park in Carinthia, with Europe's largest indoor drone hub. I happily connect you.
Hi there, great that you reached out to us. We are in the drone hall of the University of Klagenfurt, and I'm here with my colleague Stefan Weiss from the university, a partner in crime in terms of drone swarm research.
Absolutely, yeah, thanks for stepping by here in Europe's largest drone hall. Let me show around a little bit, come on. So in here, you're actually tracked by 37 cameras, and they track literally every single millimeter of you, of myself, and also of our drones here. And I'm very happy that we can really do this research in this excellent facility, the research on next generation autonomy for drones, but also for mobile systems. Andreas will show you now around in Lakeside Labs for swarm intelligence. Have fun.
As Stefan already pointed out, we are dealing more with swarms of drones. That means groups or teams of drones fulfilling certain missions, like for search and rescue in disaster scenarios. But now, follow me to the drone lab. So this is part of our drones that are modified for swarm flights.
Right, thanks again for joining us today, and I hope you got a nice overview about our research here at the Drone Hub.
Thanks also from my side, and I hope to see you soon here in Klagenfurt for your drone research.